Hi, I'm Miss Karen from the Bridgeville Public Library. Today's felt board fun features the nursery rhyme, The Three Little Kittens Who Lost Their Mittens. This traditional nursery rhyme contains several words that rhyme, which is a great opportunity for you to talk with your child about how rhyming words are words that have endings that sound alike. Ask your child to tell you which words in The Three Little Kittens rhyme as you play with the felt pieces. You can also make up your own rhymes. Maybe it's the three little pigs who lost their wigs, or three little ducks who lost their trucks. Being able to detect and identify words that rhyme helps your child to better understand that there are smaller sounds in words, and this will help them when they sound out words later when they're learning how to read. You can also write down some of the rhymes that you make up and ask your child to draw pictures to go with them. By writing down your child's words, this will help them to better develop their print awareness and letter recognition, and that will help them to understand that letters and words have meaning. This will also help them when they're older, when they learn how to read. So today's Pizza Box Felt Board rhyme is The Three Little Kittens Who Lost Their Mittens. We have three little kittens who lost their mittens, and they began to cry. "Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear, our mittens we have lost." "What, lost your mittens, you naughty kittens? Then you shall have no pie. Meow, meow, you shall have no pie." Then three little kittens, they found their mittens, and they began to cry. "Oh, mother dear, look here, our mittens we have found." "What, found your mittens? You clever kittens, then you shall have some pie. Purr, purr, then you shall have some pie." And that's the nursery rhyme, The Three Little Kittens. And next, I'll show you how I made some of the felt pieces. We got our patterns for our felt pieces for The Three Little Kittens from Grandma's Little Shop on Etsy. She has some really cute pieces out there, some patterns for nursery rhymes. And I have three little kittens. They have their little fur pieces and their ears and nose. Those are cute. I have my sets of mittens, and my little tiers are separate so that kids can play with them, take them on and off according to the nursery rhyme of if the kittens have their mittens or not. And I have my mother cat. And mother cat is partly assembled her body. She has her head and her dress and her little paws. And I have my white apron that I'm just going to glue right on her body with some tacky glue and press firmly to make sure it sticks. And then we have the piece that has Mother Cat's hands holding her pie. And I'm just gonna line that up with her left hand and press really firmly on that to hold it. And there is Mother Cat holding her pie for her three little kittens. And the Three Little Kittens set is all set to play with in the nursery rhyme. We hope that you have fun playing with felt pieces for the nursery rhyme of Three Little Kittens, and we will see you next time. Bye.